Hello everyone, my name is Patrick and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Liquify tool in Photoshop. But first, open up your Photoshop and your image. I just want to let you guys know that this is not my image. I downloaded this from the internet and I have some source of it. Anyways, I want you to make a copy of the layer. So over here in the layers, just click this layer one, background, click and hold, drag it all the way to the new layer. So now I have two layers, which is the original and the copy. I'm gonna turn off the layer visibility. I'm gonna focus much more on this layer. I'm gonna pick this, click the filter, click Liquify. Now I open up another pop-up window thing, which is like a Liquify mode. As you can see in the left side, here are some bunch of tools that you can use for your Liquify, and the right side is your brush tool option, um, face tool, or where you can edit the face and whatnot. So one thing that really cool about Liquify tool is that Photoshop automatically recognize the faces. So for example, if you have an image that contains three or more people faces, like it automatically like recognize it. So as you can see this line thing over here, this is what I'm talking about Photoshop being recognized the face, which is really cool. So anyways, let's go to our forward warp tool, which is the first and the way at the top on the left side. You can click W, and what this tool means is that basically like it it pulls the pixels of the image as you drag it wherever you want to drag it. So for example, I'm gonna make some sample of the hair. I'm gonna drag it all the way here. So as you can see, it's pulling the pixels of it all the way down. Of course, you can go up, side, whatnot. Um, another tool I'm going to talk about is reconstruct tool. What this tool means is that it goes back to the ones that you edit. So for instance, I'm making like a forward warp tool all over her head, and it came out like really nice, and suddenly I made the mistake of going here. So I wanna go back to this without touching this some parts of the ones that I edit. So I can just click this reconstruct tool, which is R. Click from the ones that where you stop, go back the way it is, and there you go. It goes back to the original. A simple trick about this tool is that you have to click, hold it, drag way slowly. Don't just drag like faster like this, because you're gonna mess up, and some of the forward warp that you have used, it won't like go back to the original right ahead. Like it takes some time to go back to the original. Anyways, let's move to 12 clockwise tool, or you can press C. What this tool means is that it rotates clockwise if you click and hold it. So I'll give you some example. Oh, I forgot to say this, but as you can see over here, this is brush tool option. This is where you can customize your brush size, pressure, density, or rate. Basically, where you wanna go smaller or higher, or the rates, like how you wanna like, do you wanna go slower, do you wanna go faster, etc. Anyways, let's click this one, and as you can see, it's scrolling out the face. So it's really cool too if you wanna do like, I mean not the face, because this is just an example of mine, but if you wanna let's say pull the background of the image, you can do that. And if you click and hold Alt, it goes counterclockwise. So as you can see, it goes counterclockwise. Now let's go to our Packer tool. What this tool means is that um, it so what this tool means is that it the pixels that you want to move, it goes towards to the center of the brush. So as you can see, it really goes like, it's like a zoom in thing where you click it, or and then you drag it all the way wherever you want to go. It goes like zoom. They're going together for it. Okay. Now, bloat tool is like the opposite of a Packer tool. Instead of going zooming in, it goes zoom out. So as you can see, this lips over here are small, so it goes from small to bigger. So there's like a zoom, an opposite for the Packer tool. And then push left tool is, well, or basically it moves pixels up when you drag the tool left to right, and down if you drag right to left. So if we get example here, there. It's really awkward, so sorry about that. Another thing that you can use is freeze mask tool. What this means is that if I make let's say I wanna brush the face, you can see that gray brush over here, the face. But what this do is that, like when you let's say you wanna twirl something, like only the hair, and you don't wanna mess up the face. So what this do is that, like as you can see, like I'm clicking it and dragging the hair to the leg, and as you can see, like nothing happened to the face, only the hair part and whatnot. And Twar mask tool, which is D, is basically like deselect the mask, or the ones that you make a brush. So deselecting it, and there you go. Okay, so the cool part about this Liquify tool is face tool. This is really cool because you can like fix the like for instance the eyes, the nose, the mouth, or the face shape, or you can see it over here. So like if you wanna like make this eye smaller, bigger, you just either go here or here. So this is really cool. Really cool tool, honestly. So as you can see, I'm just like messing up the head part, the eyes, the nose. So the picture that you've seen before is like a little bit bigger, but now I make it a little bit smaller. I'm making her like a little bit younger, like teenager thing, teenagerish, or whatnot. So once you're done with editing everything, you can and let's say like I edit this, that, and for some reason I don't want this image. I want to go back to the original, and I don't want to click reconstruct tool because it's gonna take a long time to do it. So there's another way to go back to the original. with a one click, and you can go over here, brush reconstruct option. So if you restore all, it automatically go back to the original, which is you don't have to like click this and then keep going over and over. And then these two tools over here, which is hand tool and zoom tool. Well, just a basic. So if you like zoom in and you want to move around, so yeah, that's the hand tool. And the zoom tool, well, zoom or zoom out if you hold alt or command. That's about it, everyone. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like it. Leave a like.